Well, this is it. So I made my first 17 centimeters. Look, let's check. So I measured that. I've lost my measuring tape. So here we go. It's like 14 here plus 3 more basically makes it 17 centimeters. And now we are ready to move on. So what's your next step? After you've done the 17 centimeters like this is how it looks. Look, it's very stretchy here and there. So 17 centimeters done. Now remember, we've got 33 stitches, loops in general, so 33. Now what I did, I left the first 11 stitches, loops, sorry. So I've left 11 loops here on the needles. All right, so how did I do that? So initially I put them on the second needle, and then 22 here I placed I have this kind of holder. Look, it works like this. You might be using a simple yarn needle like I have here. So you can take a yarn needle with another piece of yarn and put all of these 22 back on the piece of yarn and leave it for now. Okay, so you leave it for now because we need to work only with these 11. Then when we finish them, we'll work with the next 11 and the next 11. But for now, these are the first 11 that we need, and we start working with them. Wow, how long my needles are, gosh. So we take these first 11 because we already have the yarn here and we are ready to work with them. Now we need to make 15 centimeters, like slightly more until the end of it, 15 centimeters up. Okay, how do we do that? Simply we just continue doing the same thing as we did, working with one purl, one knit. So let's go. I will show you. I will start with you and we move on. Now, oh, come on, this is too long. Now let's go. The first one, as always, nothing. Okay, let me find the focus here. The first one, nothing. Then I knit. I just continue the pattern. I continue making what I see. So if I had purl in the row below, I continue with it as well. Now you are making purls and knits, and then this is kind of the last one here, and you also purl it. Always purl the last one like that. Then you turn your work and you continue. So the first one, nothing. Then you see the purl and you do that and you continue on and on. And you do this just right when you reach your, okay, so we purled and the last one will also be purl like that. And it starts growing. Now you need 15 centimeters, but my recommendation is to write down how many rows did you make. So I already have 2 and I will write that down. So because I need absolutely the same number of rows in the further 2 sections here. Okay, so now you work like that, but don't forget to write down the number of rows. So when I'm done here, I will see you in the next part and show you what to do next.